Hello guys, today I will show you two applications that will help you create your home design. First is to download the application, which is the Planner 5D on your Play Store on Android, or if you have iPhones, you can download it on the App Store. You could also check the ratings of the application to see if it's a good application or not, as well as the developer's information for you to check if it's legit. After downloading, just open the application. And there you will see the settings for you to set up your username and password. On creating new project, just click the plus sign. And here's the default size of the room. You could change that to 3D. That is 4 by 5 size or square meter. And the dashboard is in the upper right side corner. You could definitely change that to 2D for you to check the layouts. And the only downside of this application is that you don't have any full access in the features, and you only have about 2 to 4 options for you to choose when creating your home design. You could still create your home design, but on a limited resources only. For me, actually, I love this application because it has lots of features to offer, and you could definitely choose the designs that you wanted. However, it needs to fully unlocked, and if you wanted to have this application, no worries. Stay tuned until the end of the video, and I will provide you information for you to download this application in a full access for free. By the way, if you like my video, don't hesitate to press the thumbs up button. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, just comment down below, and I would love to help you out on your queries. If you like new home designs and tutorials of this application, you could definitely visit my YouTube channel, NicePh, NicePh. For me, talaga, I love this application because it has lots of decoration, and you could definitely visualize the home or the house that you wanted to have in the future. You could also add people on your design, and you will see nakamask din sila. Naka-quarantine din ata. Ang cute lang. Now, on the main page of the application, you could also check your access, and you will see there's a premium access needed on this app. You could as well check the other designs built in the application. Now, if you wanted to check the premium full access of the application, you will see the prices. Now, if you wanted to have a full access for free, no worries, I will show you in the next video the full process for you to download the app. So please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss those videos. And the next application is the Swedish Home Design 3D made by Planner 5D. Basically, it's the lit version of the previous application, and it has already a full access. However, the only downside of this application, it has only a limited option. It has the same features and it has the same dashboards. So basically, it's the same applications made by Planner 5D developer, and the only downside is that you have a limited choices only on this app. But actually, at first I love this application because this is the first application that I use ever on making my home designs, and actually for me the choices are enough for me to build my own designs. As you can see, there's only a limited choices on the stairs, and there's only one roof on this application rather than in the previous application, which is the original Planner 5D. But with the full access, actually I guaranteed as well to download this application as a beginner for you to practice. And if you wanted to have more choices, you could definitely purchase the original Planner 5D application. Or if you don't have enough resources to purchase the application, no need to worry. Again, on my next video, I will show you the process on how to download the application of Planner 5D full access for free. Again, if you like my video, you could definitely press the thumbs up button, and you could definitely share these videos for others to have this application. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, Don't hesitate to comment down below, and I will do my best to answer your questions and any queries. And guys, show your love as well by subscribing to my channel. You can definitely visit my YouTube channel, NicePh, NicePh, and you could definitely check more house designs and tutorials as well on this application.